What's going on, lads? I like turtles. Haven't heard that shit in years. I was really hoping we were gonna get a green out of this candle to create some sort of support, but gold's been doing some weird shit since 3 o'clock really. It's just been slowly trickling down like really weird candles. Really weird candles from gold. What about NQ? Same with NQ, pretty weird as well. Do have a level marked out here because obviously a bunch of clean range, but yeah, not much happening at all, Shem. The price action this week has been really fucking weird. Like, it was the start of this week. So we came to this week, really didn't want to buy because we had all of this chop and just ugly shit that we obviously just couldn't really buy into. It started making a way down. It kind of gave us a little bit better structure, but then we were obviously waiting for a break above this level, and then it obviously just gold didn't play nice as it has been lately, unfortunately. And then again here, pre-London and during London, because obviously this was pre-London, this big move, and during London we had this consolidation, and then this is just what it's been doing lately, like just consolidate and then fucking shoot up without actually giving us a chance. Which, yeah, massive moves in New York last night. And then even in Asia, like, yeah, we got that one sell, but apart from that, there's the price action has been bloody ugly. Exactly, Graph. That's what you want. You want to be buying into chop. But we'll see what happens. This stream's not going to be too long. Probably just an hour or so. But we'll go from there. See if anything represents Cashy. What's going on? Big cash. Give me 2 secs, guys. The chart is looking hella zesty, Kashi. It's been moving weird, like even that candle, like what is that? Like these candles are really fucking weird, like I don't have a pulse on the market whatsoever really, to be honest. I'm just gonna have to wait and see if anything presents to us. How's the audio, guys? The music and microphone, is it all good? So these candles are fucking... I don't have a single music channel. I wish YouTube didn't have all this copyright bullshit. Otherwise I would play way better music. I hate this chill music, but I'll chuck a level there. What's it there? Yeah, I don't know. Fuck, this is ugly. God, the price action has been bloody ugly so far this week. As you can see, actually, I don't know if you can see. Oh, no, you can't, but wait, let me just. So you can see I'm just trading on my 50k, 250k combines. On Top Step, I do have my Bullinox as well that I will trade, but I'm not trading my Top Step Express at the moment because unfortunately I've only got $17 left. So what I'm planning on doing is gambling one contract in NFP because there's fucking nothing else I can do with $17 fucking dollars, can I? So we're going to be gambling NFP, which is, when is NFP? That will be next week, would it? Would NFP be next week? Oh, no, that shouldn't do anything. That shouldn't. Thursday. It's a fair bit of red folder news. Oh, actually, only PMI 11:40, an hour 45 into New York. Non-farm enrollment is next Wednesday. What about NFP? So next week there's a fair bit of news. Yeah, so the 1st of August there is NFP, so fuck me, cunt. Sake. What's up, James? Fucking posted my fucking YouTube link on my personal account, personal Instagram, for fuck's sake. That's annoying. Right, what's going on, Steve? Yeah, a few of us got a nice dub in Asia. PMI is mid, yeah. Yeah, I know, so much swearing. It's bad. Alright, so NQ's doing NQ things, and gold is fucking... These candles are so, like, at least give us... Yeah, these are so ugly. How did that 4 hour close, actually? The 4 hour did close smaller, but did reject from all the way up there. Let me get me zoom up. That's what I always forget. Fuck, I'm so annoyed about posting me live stream on my personal account. Oh, so many cunts saw it. I mean, I really want to see something like, I want this candle to fucking have a bit of movement to the upside, just to give us some sort of like support, just something, because yeah, these candles are indicating absolutely nothing, like whatsoever. Like, it's just slowly trickling down. We do have this weird support over here that is, even now, is like too close for sell below. Like, it would depend if it's like a 30-minute closure or 15, but yeah, we're in a bit of a weird structure right now. Yeah, Graph, I know, London has been fucking terrible. When I first got into the mentorship, like about April-ish, or even when I started watching Dan, which was in about March, London was so fucking good. We were getting setups, London and Asia, we were getting setups nearly like every single day. But lately, it's been a fight to find some setups. Like, even in the trade we took this morning, which is something like this. It was something like that. Even that, like, it was a pretty textbook kind of sell. But because over last week we were getting bloody cooked with every single sell I took, I wasn't really confident on it, but it worked out. Yeah, lads, this code on my screen, it was a lot. When I last looked, it was expiring last week, but they've extended it to the end of this month. So yeah, if you want to stock up on some Bullinox accounts, it is only for 50, 100, 150, 250k option ones. So no 25k accounts, unfortunately, but a 50k account with 91% off is still cheap as fuck. So yeah, if you're wanting to buy some accounts, use that code. Wow, NQ, what is that? Like, even this random, like, where does this random volume come from? That's right, Shem. I've got 3 master accounts, and I've got a 4th just sitting there because I haven't got one of my accounts to the threshold yet. So my 4th one's just sitting there. It's been there for like a month. That's summer volume for you guys. Every summer is like that. What is NQ's problem? I know. How many of you guys caught the trade we took this morning? Because I know there was a few of us that didn't take it, but there was also a few of us that did take it. I only went for a wick fill. Like, I was just going for a 1-to-1 with that wick fill, because again, I wasn't super confident on the trade, so I just went low risk. Yeah, if this candle wants to print something like this, just want to get some sort of support formed. Nice, Bluey. Just stood down, Shem. Yeah, no, that's fair, especially after the week, because I know you had a bit of a rough week last week, same as me. So I can understand why you would have stood down. I was very close to standing down, honestly. But yeah, I didn't. I did take it on my challenge account as well for $300. NQ is so fucking weird. People don't like 83, I know. People don't like the 83%. Barely. Bullinox is the only prop firm I know that does these crazy discounts. I wish Top Step did, but Top Step don't do any any discounts, and I can't find any discounts for them when I've looked. Has anyone ever seen discounts for Top Step? I've never seen a discount for Top Step. Even with 83% off. Yeah, I know, 91% off. It makes such a big difference compared to the 83%. There was a 95% off at one time, wasn't there? Like, I remember Dan had a 95% off, and I remember like a 50k account was like fucking so cheap. I don't know. I prefer the payout system with TopStep, to be honest. It's a lot quicker. Like, TopStep is way quicker to get payouts. Like Bullinox, you need 10 trading days, and then you obviously need to get to the safety threshold. Plus, you need the minimum withdrawal. So you need to end up getting like over $2,000 in profit on the Bullinox Masters, roughly. Whereas TopStep, you can see. So on TopStep, you obviously have the maximum loss limit. When you first start, it's like on a 50k account, it's 1,500. But when you take your first, so you need 5 on TopStep. You need 5 winning days of $200 or more. That doesn't have to be consecutive. You could get 200 one day, then the next day you could lose 200. But if you just have 5 days of $200 in profit, that counts as a winning day. So if you have 5 of that, that's $1,000, and then you're eligible for a payout that quickly. And then when you do request your payout, this is the only thing I don't kind of like with TopStep, is when you do request a payout, it can't be more than 50% of the balance. So I had like $1,000 in. I think it was like $300-400 USD out, and then the maximum loss limit moves to 0. So that trailing, it goes away. It moves to 0 once you take that payout. But then, and then from there you just need the 5 $200 days. Whereas with Bullinox, you need after the first payout, you need another 10 trading days. Then after that payout, you need another 10 days. So to get to like the final version of your master on Bullinox takes, like, it could take over 2 months easy. Whereas with TopStep, it's a lot quicker. That's why I'm trying to, like, I've got 2 combines on TopStep, trying to get some more on TopStep, because the payout system's quicker. Is TopStep end of day or something? No, I think all that type's the same. Like with my combine, you can see, so on the 50k account, what was it? I think it was 47,500 maximum loss limit when I first started. And then that trail, actually, I don't know. No, I don't think it is Shem. How much is a top? It is pretty expensive, Shem. It's like $80 Australian. So like, you can get way more Bullinoxes for the same price, but I just like the payout system. What's going on, Keefe? Not Ty, by the way, either. Telita, what's going on? Yeah, Shem, yep. Yeah, I just like the payout system, like, with TopStep. Like, I requested my payout Friday night, and then it was in my Wise account Tuesday morning. So it basically only took 1.5 business days, which in hindsight is fucking quick. Like, if you get to the point where you're wanting to withdraw 5,000, if 5,000 hit in your bank within 2 days, it's a lot better than Bullinox's, where I know Bullinox takes a lot longer, because I've asked Dan and he says, payouts on Bullinox can take a while. But I mean, I just got both. Like, I've got these Bullinoxes because they were so cheap. If Topstep was the same as Bullinox with like relatively decent discounts, I would only use Topstep. Can you send? Yeah, you can cash it. You can send it straight to your bank. I just did Wise because I think it's I can't remember. I think it. Let me have a look. I think it says it like takes longer to get into your bank rather than Wise. I'll have a look quickly. I might as well just take a payout request of $17, lads. Huge payout. Do you still go aggressive on the Topstep accounts, Mitch, even though they cost a bit more? Commit. Kinda, Bluey. Yeah, I kinda do, to be honest, Bluey. Like, if I blow it, I blow it. I don't really care. Can you send it straight to your bank, or do you need? Yeah, cash avoiding tax. Nah, you got to fill out a tax form. When you request a payout through Topstep. Same with Bullinox. Big brain fart on my part. No, all good, Keefy. All good. Yeah, exactly. Sherman also way cheaper, so it's not too much of a worry if you play accounts. Yeah. What's going on, Trish? How you going? Exactly, Shem. Exactly. Just get good and so you can use any platform. Yep, I'll go over it right now for you, Keefy. So it was a very, very simple trade. Keefy. It was a little bit risky just because of how it, like how this 15-minute. Let me get my draw. Like, it was a little bit risky with how this candle here, like it pushed down. So we had our support marked out over here for this, and then this candle here with the yellow, it did push down like from there to the bottom of the wick 30 pips, which is pretty overextended, but it did kind of push back into a perfect spot to where it was only roughly 11 pips away from the support. And then we had a really good retest with this one. Really good retest. Retested perfectly back into that range. And then I was just looking for a wick fill of this wick here, and I got that. So pretty simple trade. What is signal on this? Let's have a look at the 1 minute. What's the 1 minute doing? A lot of consolidation. I'm in shorts, boys. That's my sig. I'm in shorts. The 1 minute. Fucking hell. What are these? Fuck, these candles are so weird. Nine likes, lads. We got how many viewers in here? We got 21 viewers and only 9 likes. Come on, boys. Get me to 15. Get to 15. you just got out of a short, really. Yeah, not much volume at all. Like, they're moving like up and down quite a bit, but the way they're closing is just... And like these green candles, I would have wanted these green candles to be have a bit more size. Something like that, just to show like, okay, we are getting a little bit of volume in a direction, but we're getting absolutely nothing. And then NQ pushed up weird. Yeah, and then Keefe, yeah, the 30 pretty much was almost kind of perfect. But yeah, like that type 1, like it was a touch, or no, it was actually kind of, yeah, 18 pips from the support. And then you obviously a really good retest, and then if you had have taken it from the break of that week to the bottom of it, you got 30 pips, but yeah, you would have easily got your 20 pips, which is what I aim for. I always aim for the 20 pips. Yeah, I might leave it if nothing happens next game or two, and then come back later. Yeah, volume is absolutely shocking right now. Took a small profit, but I thought take the small profit and wait for volume. Yep, no, perfect, Trish. I did say at the start of the stream, when there was a few less people in here, that I'm probably only going to be doing a bit of a shorter stream, especially now with how these candles are looking. Probably only another half an hour, 40 minutes or so. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Hopefully we can get something. But if not, I know Dan said he might be streaming New York. If he's not, I might even stream New York. Just see what price action's looking like. Fuck. You know what I've been craving lately? I haven't had it in so long. I've been craving some fucking KFC. And it's the worst right now because I'm on like a bit of a fitness grind, so it's like the last thing I need, but fuck me, I've been craving it. Wick City's blocks, that will be plenty of... Exactly, Keefe. Exactly, you just gotta wait for the... Shem. Fuck's sake, Shem. Yeah, KFC, a fucking nice zinger box. Ooh, yummy. Need that. Oh, bruh, we said it at the exact same time. Exactly, James, we need a fucking zinger box. Oh, fuck. My mouth is salivating right now. Nicky. Yeah, maybe in England, Gruff. KFC in England's fucking shit. I've had it. Compared to Australia, KFC in England is bloody terrible. Mary Brown, what is that, Pez? Must be some Canadian thing. What's going on, Andrew? What's it called? Mary Brown's. I've never heard of this. Better not be some fucking porn star. Oh, 100% Canadian owned. Oh, no thanks. Yeah, Oz KFC. I've had KFC in like all over Europe, like fucking Barcelona, England, and yeah, it's fucking terrible compared to Australia. The chicken is just gross. Oz KFC is the best. Yeah, 100% Bluey. Oz KFC is so good. Yep. No, I haven't got proper KFC anywhere but UK. Yeah, Graph. The UK. I mean the KFC in UK is not good. I don't know what it is. It just tastes. It tastes totally different. Yeah, I could imagine KFC in China being probably have dogs as the chicken meat. I mean, well, as dog. That might have been a bit too far, but Five Guys is good. Do you like Five Guys, Graph? I had Five Guys in England. That was bloody good. Pause though. No homo. No homo. Five Guys, meh. Well, what do you like, Graph? What's your number one takeaway then? If you think KFC is at the bottom and you think, oh my god, Cold, you're such a fucking homo. No, I can't even take that. It's so. Like, what's it look on the 30? Like, it's just slowly. Yeah. Subway, yeah, Subway's good. Subway is good. Can't go wrong with Subway. Not even sure if it's chicken. Oh, yeah, China. KFC China, yeah. I don't even want to imagine what the meat would be like in China. I just had 5. You're on that fitness grind, Pez. Love it, mate. I know one takeaway is small business restaurants. Pizza or something, yeah. No, you can't go wrong with like a pizza or like a good Chinese takeaway or something. Whereabouts in the UK are you like near London or anything, or are you like pretty far away from London? I don't really know all kind of shit. Yeah, I haven't had like KFC or Macca's in so long, but for whatever reason, the last couple of days I've been craving KFC. Big Daniel, what's going on? I know this price action is terrible. Even NQ, like, what is this? Bloody shocking price action right now. And there's no news tonight, is there? No, but that's not affecting us. Does Forex look the same? I wonder. Let's see. Typical London. I know. We've been getting screwed this week. Yeah, pretty similar. I mean, this over is a little bit different on Forex compared to. Yeah, even Forex is ugly. What's Bitcoin dominance doing? Is Bitcoin dominance still dropping, or is it having a little bit of a bounce? Oh, so the first day in a while, Bitcoin dominance is having a bit of a bounce. For all you crypto heads out there, that keeps dropping. We're on Sarajevo, best kebabs I've ever had. Where's that from, Keefe? Ralph, you're missing out on the wicker wings from. Oh, the wicker wings are bloody. Are you from Romania, Keefe? Sarajevo, let's have a sus. burgers. I love a fucking burger as well. A good smash burger is, whew, can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with a good smash burger. I'm redder than a water park right now thinking about Kashi. Oh my god. Eastern Europe, oh yeah, nice. Maybe you need a cheat day, Mitch. Maybe. I'm going back home for the weekend, so that might be my excuse. I need to cook dinner before I do something bad. Right, I had a burger yesterday from a place called Shake Shack. It was, oh yeah, Shake Shack is, oh, I've had that before and it's just so like greasy and ugh. Cashy. These owlies are, I'd like to see these owlies just flip green. No, oh, you're from the UK but live on this. Oh, true. But been in Oz for 20 years. So in a couple of years travelling. Oh, yeah. Nice. Sunny. Live on the sunny coast. Whereabouts on the sunny coast? Like up north or like near Gold Coast, near Brisbane? Okay, so he has had 30 deals on this month. Hasn't. No, Blue, you should not have told me that. Oh, I did not know that. You should not have told me that. I know, Bluey, you're not helping right now. Right, I entered a new dimension after with all the oil running the room of my veins. Hold up, guys, just getting a phone call. 2 secs. Fuck me, boys. Sorry, this is fucking taking ages. Can't piss me off. Fuck me, cunts. That was the longest fucking phone call ever. I'll be back though. Unfortunately, I gotta tell my... I'll be back. Fuck me. Fucking hell. We're back though, cunts. That was the longest phone call ever, bruv. But, lads, I wouldn't mind saying this, a bit of a type 2 kind of variation. Not a variation, it's a type 2 and then sell it back down here. Back down to that support. Dedication 2000. Let's go. It was Donald Trump, lad. Donald fucking Trump. Nah, it was someone there. Bruh. You're fucking. You're talking though. You're still fucking talking in the chat. Let's have a quick look at the chat. Paul, what we think, Henry? Risk and sales. Yeah, I think I'm more interested in sales, Paul. I think. I think it's a girlfriend calling. He looks pissed. It wasn't a girlfriend, but you're not wrong. That's why fucking women just cause problems 90% of the time. If someone called me yup for so long, I just give up. 5 minutes on call, no more. What NQ doing? What is NQ doing? If NQ breaks below, I think I'll be kind of interested. Oh, nah, nah. The 30 is ugly. If this 30 were to, just say this 30 closes, something like that, and then we get a closure below, then I could be interested. But NQ is just a proper homo. NQ is a proper homo. I do a little bit actually. This was from yesterday though. You gotta remember though, these big pushes are from yesterday. You gotta remember these red 4 hours are pretty much all from today. So the daily is bearish. Today is being bearish. Yes, this 4 hour is having a little bit of a flip, but for the most part we've been moving down today. I'm in this long right now, 11 ticks profit at the moment. What did you take that off as? Did you go off the 30 min type 2? Is that what you took that off, Shem? You got that right, we are just... Most of them are. Unless you got money, they're probably not trouble. If you're a millionaire, they'll probably wake you up with a gobby. Been in this for 20 minutes? No. Really? Fuck, that's the worst when a trade takes so long. Yeah, I did it. I like the 30 minute, like, honestly, it does kind of look relatively good, and I mean, I'm guessing you would have got pretty close to your profits now, aren't you? Yeah, there's your 20 ticks. Plus, I didn't really like how there was no top wick, but good trade. Good trade. But I'll see what how this candle closes. If this candle closes green, I'm unfortunately going to be hopping off, lads. I know most of the stream I was fucking on the phone call. But I might stream NY. If Dan doesn't stream New York, I might stream New York. But from this candle, I wouldn't mind seeing this candle, especially now that we have created that top wick up there. Especially because, yeah, we have created that top wick there. If this candle... Fuck you, cunt. If this candle wants to close something like that, and then, you know, get that retest. But we'll see. We'll see how this candle closes. How many of you took that? Was it a few of you took it? Nice, if you did. Nice. Because yeah, structurally it is good. Like we got this little bit of resistance there. We obviously did get that break above. We had a really good retest, and then that obviously made the 30-minute very bullish. And then on the next 30, yeah, we obviously got a really good retest again. If this week was like, I've just lost my confidence a little bit in my trades since last week. So if that week was bigger, I definitely would have taken that. That was literally my only reason why I didn't take it. No, my signal man didn't tell me to. I was too wigged on the wicks. Yeah, nah. Good choice for standing down. Like, this price action is very, very ugly, and especially with, yeah, it is pretty weird. But we have tapped into this support here, so we'll see if we get a bit of a reaction. I'd love to see this close red, to be honest. And you move from like my 5 gal hours. What the fuck is NQ doing, bruv? It's kind of doing what I said, like at 30 close and then the next one break below, but it's overextended, way too overextended now. Like, you've already got that wick fill kind of thing. Yeah, wow, that is hideous. Hopefully Dan streams in New York though. That'd be good. I pipped him. Yeah, lads, if this candle closes how it is, I'm going to be hopping off. Unfortunately, even though I was on the phone for a majority of the stream. I do appreciate all of you that have stayed in, because a lot of you stayed in and a lot of you were still active in the chat even though I was on the phone, so I do appreciate that a lot. push down. Did you take full TP, Shem, or are you letting some run? Yeah, not much topic at all, Cody. Just targeted 20 pips, nice. Yeah, so we'll see how this candle closes. If it wants to engulf, I'll stay on for another candle, but if it stays like this, I'll be hopping off. And I might be back for New York, not sure yet. It'll just all depend on how PA is looking, especially with New York being New York being 10 o'clock at night, and I've got a flight early in the morning, so I've got to be up at like fucking 3:30 in the morning, so price action will have to look pretty clean for me to jump on a stream. No worries, Cody. Catch you later. Yeah, lads, that's me done for tonight. Appreciate yous all coming in. As I said, I might do NY, New York Open, or New York session.